Good morning, children. Welcome to Narana classes. So today we'd like to discuss some assignment questions in 6th class children. Coming to the first question for the session, write all the factors of 24. So first one, they are asking us to write the factors of 24 children. Okay. So when you write multiples over here, in one table, 124s are 24. Yes. In two table, 2 12s are 24. In 3 table, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. In 4 table, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. In 5 table, 24 is not a multiple. Again in 6 table, 6 4s are. So all these numbers over here, you can see all these numbers are the factors of 24. Therefore, the factors of 24 are 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 6. You need to go in a reverse order: 6 8 12 and 24. 6 8 12 and 24. So all these are the factors of 24 children. Yes, I hope it is clear. So coming to the next one, children. Define prime number and composite number. So I write the definitions over here, children. For second one, so keep the heading prime number. So prime number can be defined as the number which are divisible by 1, and the number itself are called prime number. Okay. So when you see the definition over here, children, the number which are divisible by 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. So the examples are 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So all these numbers are only divisible by 1 and the number itself, children. When you see over here, when you take an example of 13, when you take one more example, 13 here, children, the factors of this 13 are 1 13s are 13 and 13 1s are 13. It's all, children. So it is divisible by only 1 and 13, 1 and itself. So that means we can say that this 13 is said to be called as a prime number. Yes. So this numbers so called 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, all these numbers has only two factors, children, that is 1 and itself, and these factors are said to be called as a prime number. So prime number can also be defined as a number which has only two factors, that is 1 and itself is said to be called as a prime number. So other than 1 and itself, if it is having more than two factors, then we can say that it's a composite number. So when you come across the definition of a composite number, children, so I'll write the definition over here. Composite number. So the composite number can be defined as, it can be defined in two ways, children. The one which has more than two factors is to be called as a composite number in simple, or we can also define it as the number which are divisible by more than two numbers are called composite numbers. or else you can also be defined as, that is number, that is number itself is one factor, number itself is one factor, and other numbers, and other number. So examples are 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Okay. That means, see here children, when you take a number so called 10 now, if you take 10 as an example, the factors of 10 are 1 10s are 10. Yes, also children, in 2 table, 2 5s are 10. And yes, that's it. So the factors are 1 comma, 2 comma, 5 comma, 10. So it has more than 2 factors. In total we can say it has 4 factors. Yes or no children? So that means this 10 is said to be called as a composite number. It has more than 2 factors children. So this is the best example of composite number. I hope it is clear. Now the next question is third one. The third question is, write all prime numbers below 25. Third question. The answer for this question is all prime numbers below 25 are. So what is a prime number children? As I said to that, a prime number is nothing but a number which is having only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. Is said to be called as a prime number. So the prime numbers below 25 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, yes, 13, 17, 19 and 20. So these are all of the prime numbers below 25. Now coming to the fourth question children. Define co-primes. So co-primes, or this can also be said to be called as relatively prime children. Co-primes are also said to be called as relatively prime. So co-prime can be defined as the number which have only one as a common factor, as a common factor are called co-primes, or it can also be said to be called as relatively primes. Okay. So when you come across the examples, children, 3 comma 5. Okay, when you take this example 3 comma 5, the factors of 3 are 1 comma 3. And when you come across the factors of 5, 1 comma 5. And the common factor among these 1, 3 and 1, 5 is nothing but only 1 is a common factor. Yes or no, children? 1 is a common factor among these 3 and 5. So this we can say that the pair of these two numbers, that is 3 comma 5, are said to be called as co-primes. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone children. The only thing is the number which has only 1 is a common factor in the two bunch of numbers. If 1 is a common factor, only 1 should be a common factor children. Other than 1, no common factor should be reside over there. Okay, so if 1 is an only common factor, we can say that those two numbers are said to be called as a co-primes, or it can also be said to be called as a relatively prime. Yes, I hope it is clear to everyone children. Now coming to the fifth question. Under this we do have two questions children. The first one, the smallest prime number is what? The smallest prime number. What is the smallest prime number children? Smallest prime number is 2. As a prime number can be defined as what children? A prime number is nothing but it has only two common factors, 1 and itself. Yes or no? So in that 2 is the smallest one. And coming to the second one, children, the smallest composite number. The smallest composite number is, what is the smallest composite number, children? 4 is the smallest composite number. What is the composite number? A number which has more than 2 factors is said to be called as a composite number. Yes or no? We have defined a prime number and a composite number in the previous question. Yes or no, children? So a composite number can be defined as it has more than 2 factors as a 2 factors. That is when you take a 4 as a composite number, it is nothing but 1 4s are 4, yes, into 2s are 4. So therefore factors will be like 1 2 4. More than 2 factors. Here you can see 3 factors, right? So this is a composite number. This is the smallest composite number, children. Okay, when you consider 3, it has only 2 factors, 1 comma 3. When you consider 2, it has also only 2 factors, that is 1 comma 2. So these 2 and 3 are said to be called as the prime numbers, and among these 2 is the smallest number among them. So obviously the smallest prime number will be 2 and the smallest composite number will be 4. Yes, I hope it is clear to everyone, children, the smallest prime number and the smallest composite number. Yes, so these are the questions we need to discuss in this session, children. So in the tomorrow's session, we'll come up with the next few more examples. I hope it is clear to everyone, children. So thank you, everyone.